Did you know there's a rich history dating back to the 17th century beneath my feet? Today we're at Conway Hall, 25 Red Lion Square. The site was once home to a series of townhouses which were built in the 17th century. Excavations revealed evidence of the life of these homes, including fragments of pottery, glass and metal objects. They also discovered traces of early fireplaces and hearths, clay tobacco pipes, my fave, dating back to the 17th and 18th centuries. As the site evolved, it became home to a range of businesses, including a dye works and a boot maker. Archaeologists even found evidence of these industries in the form of discarded materials, such as leather offcuts and dye pots. The site was transformed into a hospital for women and children. Archaeologists discovered a range of medical artifacts, including surgical instruments and bottles. This is why commercial archaeology and planning legislation is so important. Excavations run by Pre-Construct Archaeology here at 25 Red Lion Square offers a fascinating glimpse into the social and economic history of London and has revealed how the site evolved over time from private residences to thriving businesses. So the next time you're by Holborn, swing over to Conway Hall and imagine the life here in the 17th and 18th centuries. Okay, it's getting cold now. Let's go inside.